water's still coming in. Like it's still flowing into the room. Look at this.
Yeah. Oh, it's flowing down the hallway.
Either that or go to the front desk and get a master key. We got to check all these rooms.
There's people in that one. I'm gonna probably just start checking all the way down the line.
Yeah, as soon as he gets that key. Because we got water going into that building down there too. We're gonna go over to the sidewalk and try to push you along there. Do these things stay on? Cool. You ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm walking backwards through a river. I got you, sweetie. You're all right. Drop back.
There's bars down here.
The what?
There's bars right here. The small wheel.
Yeah, I can grab from there.
Yeah, this one.
Wheel, that bar.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. 1, 2. I'm gonna ride with you out. You guys ride with me or? We got room in the back to put her?
Ladder or something to get up on?
Yeah, you can sit right there. Here's your key. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the AC on for you, alright?
Alright.
Thank you.